Have you ever wondered what it looks like behind the scenes of a home under construction? This is Scott and I'm Holly, and Scott is building this amazing ground up construction. It started out as a flip and it started out as 1,300 square feet, but Scott just can't help himself. He makes houses bigger and better. What's the final square footage going to be, Scott?
3,300.
Yeah, so it's way bigger.
So the house is about 95% framed, which wasn't very much before in the prior update. If you look up high, the roof trusses are on. There's plywood sheeting on the roofs. The roof is not on yet, but the roof structure is there.
Okay, question. What is a roof truss for someone that's never heard that term before?
Well, a truss is like...
it's a zigzag piece.
It's like a zigzag piece, kind of like a bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they put them every 2 feet.
So that's the whole structure front to back of the house, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And they can span really far, which allows you to have really open floor plans, which is nice. The house is going to be modern design, flat roof, really cool looking.
Well, let's see what's been going on. So what are these two areas?
Well, we got two garages. We have a 2-car garage and a 1-car garage. We have some electrical coming. It's making progress. There's a sub panel there.
What's a sub panel for?
To distribute put breakers and distribute the electrical throughout the house.
It's an electrical sub panel, just in case.
Yeah.
And inside here, we can see wiring and plumbing, right?
Yep. Yeah, we have plumbing over here.
The big black pipes.
Which the plumber was working on today. That wasn't there yesterday. So that's the drain line for the ADU, and it heads off. And we got to keep it high so that it can gravity flow to its outlet connection point.
All the wastewater. Yep. Okay.
Yep.
Let's go up inside.
So, well, maybe we actually go down inside. So, for the main house, it's up there, but then you have a staircase here, and you have these two, what I call basement bedrooms. Here, this one's still kind of under construction. But go down, and this will be a bedroom, full bathroom, big walk-in closet. One thing of interest is that the window here, there's a maximum height that a window can be in a bedroom. You have to have at least one bedroom that people can get out of let's say there's a fire. One window. You could have 5 windows in the bedroom, and 4 of them could be high, but one of them has to be low enough where if there's a fire, you could jump and crawl out. So 44 inches is the maximum height for one window. So that's how this window's height is set.
And everything is built. So what's going on behind here? So is this whole L shape all walk-in closet?
Yeah, that's all going to be storage walk-in closet.
Wow. Pretty nice for a secondary bedroom.
Yep.
And what's our ceiling height in here?
The ceiling height here is 8 feet.
And then it goes up over here?
It goes up over here because that matches the height of the garage ceiling.
Awesome. Well, let's go see some more.
Yeah. So over here, straight across this staircase, there's going to be another basement bedroom in there with more windows. You go up these stairs to get to the main part of the house. One thing that happened today, Holly, is this deck got built. So this is the ceiling and roof over that basement bedroom that was just down there, but it's a big deck here with the beautiful ocean view.
Yes, look at that ocean view. Well, and another cool thing about this house, it used to be a single level, and a large part of it still is. And that's something I think about a lot as a realtor. A lot of people, even age 50 and older, really want single level so they can live in the house forever. So this is going to have the majority, this part is almost like a single level. So you've got kitchen, living, and dining here, and a bedroom here, and a bedroom. So
yeah, you could use this house. You could use this house as a single story. If you get older, you could just live in this part of the house. You could park on the street. You don't need to go down the stairs to the garage.
That could be for like kids and grandkids. And then this part up here is what Scott has referenced as the ADU, accessory dwelling unit. So you could rent that out separate, or maybe you want to use it all yourself if you want that many bedrooms.
Yep. Or maybe have your adult kids living there. Or I designed it in a way that wall could be opened up, and you could put in a few little stairs here, and then that could just be part of the house as well.
So back here, we're in the kitchen, and if you look at the ceiling, you see the inside of the truss system. So that's all of the support. So because of that, we don't have to have a bunch of posts in the middle, correct?
Right, right.
So that's the beauty of a truss system, is it bears the weight of everything. And then you get a big open concept, which is all the rage in today's architecture and modern living. So this is where our island is going to be. See the green marks on the floor? So you marked it out with paint so we could get a visual of what it's going to feel like with this kitchen island. Dining area over there, living area there, with ocean views out that way. So when we design kitchens, we always try to do a big island. How big is this island going to be? This one is, I would consider, gigantic. Well, it's gigantic with no seams. It'll be 11 feet long by 6 feet wide, which is pretty gigantic. And we're going to do seating on two sides? Seating on two sides, yeah. Yeah, so even though we don't have a formal living room, we're going to have dining here at the island, which would probably comfortably seat 6 to 7. And then there will be a dining table over here. A lot of times we don't have formal living, formal dining, and then casual living, casual dining anymore. It's just one space for everything. So what else has been going on here? Well, I mean, plumbing, electrical is getting run. Trying to get the plumbing done and the pipes through the roof so then we can do the roofing, which will waterproof the whole roof. The windows are on order, so we're waiting those to get in so we can install those. Designed the house, you know, first and foremost to take advantage of the view. Another thing to notice here is 10-foot ceilings. You know, traditional house has about 8-foot ceiling. I know you asked downstairs. But this is all 10-foot ceiling up here. Which is really nice. Yeah, it just feels really open. And now I noticed we don't have any holes in the ceiling for skylights yet, but are those coming? There are, yeah. We need to cut those in. I have skylights painted out on the floor in blue here. So there'll be a skylight here. The skylight fits between the trusses. You couldn't cut the trusses to put a skylight, so I have to locate the skylights inside the trusses, between the trusses. Yeah, the trusses are your structural, so you can't just go hacking and cutting those out. That would be a problem. And then we're going to have a huge opening pivot door, like you may have seen on one of our prior projects. So we're excited to have a very big front door that opens out this way. And if you keep coming this way, you'll see we have a big overhang. It's going to have a very contemporary look, contemporary architecture. Yeah, it's going to have really kind of a gigantic overhang here. It's about almost 9 feet deep. So it'll feel like you arrive and big and open, grand. Yeah. Okay, so behind us, we've got a bedroom right here by the front door, right? Yeah, bedroom, bathroom, closet. Okay, and then what's over here? This is the primary suite. Down here you have, down this little hallway, you have washer, dryer, laundry, and then a powder bathroom. Okay, or half bath as people commonly know it. And then this whole section over here is the primary suite. So even though, or as I like to call it, the master bedroom. We've got a solid wall here because we're protecting the primary suite. And the primary suite is going to have incredible views. So the bed is going to be right there, and you're going to be looking right out at the ocean from your bed. And you can also get out to the deck. There'll be a big slider here, so you can also, you know, access that, go out, have coffee in the morning or whatever. Once again, the tall ceilings continue in here. And then here is the bathroom. Let's check this out. So you'll have double vanity here, about 10 feet long. 10-foot vanity, that's really long. And I like how you put a window for natural light up there. That's gonna be nice. Yeah. We're getting the afternoon sun really strongly right now, but most of the day it's gonna be not shining in hard. And then this is the closet right here, right? Yeah. So big closet, a lot of volume. Very nice big closet, as big as what some small bedrooms are. And is this part of the closet too? That is, yeah. Right, very nice. Anything else you want to say about this area? No, we're gonna have nice accent lighting in it, probably nice custom cabinets. Yep. All right, yeah, we're gonna build out the master or primary closet to be really cool too. So you have to watch future videos and see how it all gets built out. So with that, I think we're at the end of our tour. And make sure you tune in, subscribe so you can catch the next one. We're definitely going to show you as we finish it out, drywall it, you'll get to see all of the steps, how we finish this house.